Let's move on now to our next top story, the Oppo A9 2020. Lots of things in this phone that truly stand out, but the main standouts are the fact that it actually has 5 cameras in a single smartphone, 4 at the back and 1 in the front. The fact that it actually has a great 48 megapixel sensor and an ultra wide also. And then the other 2 lenses are used for portrait effects in a very different way using that entire depth field feature. Then it's got a 5000 mAh battery, a great Snapdragon processor, and then an incredible aggression in price. Let's take a look at our review.
While 2020 is just 3 months away, one phone that we can maybe say is from the future is already with us. Well, it says so in the name itself. This is the Oppo A9 2020 edition. The phone starts at 16,990 rupees. Now this is a phone that brings a quad camera to the under 20k segment. And so, does it impress us? Let's dive into the review and find out. We got the space purple variant of the Oppo A9 2020 for review. It has a dual purple-blue design with a fingerprint scanner lodged at the back. The phone has a good grip and it looks good when held. Oppo doesn't let go of the notch on this phone, and it is there in the form of a small water drop. This is a large 6.5-inch screen which is ideal for watching videos. The screen is IPS, but the brightness is pretty adequate. We say it's ideal for watching videos also because of the Dolby ATMOS support this phone comes with. Under the hood, the phone runs on the mid-range Snapdragon 665 chipset. This chipset enables the phone to last longer in the battery department as well. This, coupled with an 8GB RAM variant that we have, gives the Oppo A9 2020 a smooth performance. We found no visible lag while gaming on this phone. Now, one place where Oppo has gone all out on this phone is the battery. It has a massive 5000 mAh battery which can comfortably last a full day of heavy use. The phone runs on ColorOS 6, which comes with a pleasant visual design and features like a game space. The back of the A9 2020 has a quad camera setup. The main lens is 48 megapixels along with an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 2 megapixel mono lens, and another 2 megapixel portrait lens. This makes the camera pretty versatile and it delivers on that front. The images we clicked had great details, like you can see in these plants that we clicked. The depth was clear in the portraits, and the ultra-wide angle shots captured quite a bit with a wide field of view. The ultra night mode impressed us as well, and the images had very less loss in detail. The selfie shooter is 16 megapixels and it gave us clear images in good light, although the colors seemed a bit touched. Face unlock was okay on this phone and it isn't much to write home about. The big highlight on the Oppo A9 2020 is the quad camera, which can give you a range of shots, and the 5000 mAh battery it packs in. It's a good looking phone, and yes, while it fights tough competition from Xiaomi and other brands, at 16,990 rupees it makes for a good choice in the under 20k category.